Don't let money stress affect your marriage. Fewer things in life are more stressful than money problems. Financial worries are frequently blamed when couples divorce. But before your relationship heads for danger, there are things you can do to keep money stress from affecting your marriage. Here are some tips for keeping your marriage safe when money is tight. Talk about your money situation. Many couples try to avoid the topic because it causes stress and anxiety. But in reality, the only way to eliminate that anxiety is to deal with the problem. It will immediately relieve the pressure when you know what your situation is. Once you understand your finances, you can make a plan to improve them. Let go of blame. When you begin to discuss finances, it's easy to begin blaming one another for problems. Maybe one person has spent too much or another person has lost a job. Whatever the reason for your troubles, placing blame is not going to make matters any better. In fact, blame only breeds frustration and anger. It's difficult, but you must find a way to handle your problems objectively without blaming anyone for them. Get help. Sometimes it's easier to deal with financial issues when you have someone else to help you. Consumer credit counseling, your church leaders, or even a trusted friend or family member can help you to get control over your finances. Having a third party will help you to be more objective. Another person can also look at things from a different perspective and see solutions you wouldn't see on your own. Share responsibility. When you're dealing with money issues in a marriage, both people need to work together to solve the problem. It's not a good idea for one person to take over the finances while the other partner is in the dark. Even if you each have different tasks or roles, you need to make sure you understand what's going on. Keep money issues separate. You may want to meet with your spouse weekly or monthly to discuss finances. But outside of those meetings, it's a good idea to focus on other areas. You don't want to spend all of your time focusing on this difficult topic. Instead, enjoy time together and set ground rules that money won't be discussed at inappropriate times. When you work together as a team to solve your money problems, you can actually come out as a stronger couple instead of one on the rocks. Money is stressful for any couple, but it doesn't have to be the cause of divorce. Thanks for watching our video. Make sure you subscribe to receive more video related to stress relief, stress management, and many other everyday health and wellness. Don't forget to leave a comment, hit the like button, and share our video. Thank you so much for watching. Be safe, and stay healthy.